Okay, I lifted one leg of that cap and I've connected up to the other side of it, and we've got the thing set to 20 to 1000. That's supposed to be a 50, and the eye nulls very nicely right at 50. So capacity wise is good. Let's check it for leaky. This is a 150 volt cap. Fully opens. Not a darn thing wrong with that capacitor. So we'll have to search for our vertical shortness elsewhere. The next place I'd look would be the actual voltage supplies to the vertical oscillator, which this thing runs on boost. So I'm going to check the resistors that go from the output of the boost all the way back to that, and that's after I'm going to solder that cap back in here in a minute. But basically the boost diode is right here. It takes a pulse off the flyback and boosts and uses that as a boost source and rectifies it, and then this feeds the screens and the vertical out through the vertical size or linearity pot. I can't remember which one they do it on RCA's. Vertical height's right up in here. Let's see if I can get my flashlight. Okay, so we go from here. That 100K pot goes to the that 100K. There's your boost source right there. There's your capacitor for the boost filter. There's a resistor that drives the screen drives. And does it go off anywhere from there? Let me see. Boom, boom. No, let's follow this out. Somewhere it'd be tied to either vertical height or linearity. Let's see if I can find which one. Vertical height. Where's the linearity? Oh, up here. Here we go. So, oh, okay, there you go. There's that red lead. That red lead goes right to there, which is part of the vertical lin. And then from that, I think one side of it goes to B plus and one side goes to boost, and then the center goes right to here. So this is the, right here is the source that I'm interested in. So what I'm going to do is I'll check the resistance all the way back through, starting here, trace all this back, see if the pot's somehow gone bad. I can't imagine that being the problem. But the most likely scenario is, I'm sure there's some resistors on the other side of this board that take that and are feeding the plate of the vertical oscillator. So let's spin around and take a look. Yeah. So let's see if I can see where it comes in. Take a look. Okay, right there. That 2.2 meg, that red, green, that would be my first suspect I'd want to look at. Make sure it hasn't drifted way high. It's also possible that this cap right here, let me see if that goes to ground. Goes right there. I'm not sure about that. I have to think about that. That might be another filter cap. If this thing's leaky at all, we can bleed that off. I don't think that's a problem. I think my most likely scenario is going to be that guy right there at 2.2 green at that 2.2 meg. Let me see. There's another resistor after that. Hold on. Let me push this over here a little bit. Sorry. Let's see. It goes over to here. Now that goes right to the tube socket. So we'll check that out next. More later.